iPhone SE4 is going to be one of the best mid-range killer of 2025. It is coming with a lot of upgrades, and today we also got a hands-on video of iPhone SE4. Yes, a real hands-on video. So let's dive in. As you can see the iPhone SE4 in this video, this is how the final look is going to be. This video was shared by one of the well-known tipster Majin Boo on X. We can see on the rear side there is going to be just one single camera sensor, and reports have claimed that this will be a 48 megapixel camera sensor, and this is a huge upgrade from 12 megapixel on the last iPhone SE3. Along with the camera we have a LED light, and then if we talk about the body of the iPhone SE4, it's also being upgraded. It seems like the titanium body which was first introduced in iPhone 15 lineup. On the front we have a 6.1 inches OLED panel. This is also another crazy move from 4.7 inches LCD on iPhone SE3. This display on iPhone SE4 is rumored to be the same as of the iPhone 14's display. That's why we have a notch on the front side. There were rumors of dynamic island too, but now we know what's at the front. Earlier we had this interesting news which claimed that iPhone SE4 will be ditching the Touch ID home button finally, which has been there on all the previous iPhone SE models, and this has come to a final decision as well, as it is true now. You can see this iPhone SE4 is finally having flagship OLED panel, and in fact this will be the biggest goodbye to physical home buttons on iPhone SE. On iPhones. Now instead of Touch ID home button, we're gonna see Face ID finally. This transition from Touch ID to Face ID will make it the best iPhone SE or even the best mid-range killer of 2025. But that's not it. Other changes are in alert slider. We will have action button instead of alert slider, and a Type-C charging port instead of lightning port. If we talk about other major stuff, then the SE4 will have A18 chipset in it, the most powerful chip we have ever seen, and it's the same one as we saw in $800 iPhone 16. So this little bad boy, the SE4, is gonna be big disaster for other brands. For the price, few leaks suggest that iPhone SE4 will be around $500. Now getting the A18 chipset and bigger display in iPhone SE4 means that we might see Apple Intelligence as well in it. iPhone SE4 with Apple Intelligence would be a great combination of power and new features that are for now limited to only iPhone 16 and 15 series. And this iPhone SE4 will also feature a bigger battery this time, and leaks suggest that it will be 3279 milliamps of battery with 20 watts of wired charging. And this SE4 is launching in the month of April as far as the leaks suggest. And that's all for the iPhone SE4. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.